Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. In today's video, I had one of my customers ask me if I could take a look at their old-fashioned slot machine. When they put a quarter in it, they pull the lever, but nothing happens. When they opened up the back of it, they found a spring that was just kind of laying back there in the back of the cabinet. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can figure out where it goes, see if we can fix it and get it working for them. So let's get right at it. All right guys, so this is the slot machine here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a quarter into it. We're going to pull the lever and see what happens. Well, nothing's going on with it. You could feel the resistance on it. It took the quarter, but the dials didn't spin, nothing happened. So let me bring you around to the back side of the slot machine. And let's go ahead and open this guy up and take a look inside. So inside here you can see there's all kinds of springs and stuff in here that this thing operates. This is old school, like mechanical. It's not digital or electronic at all. So what we got to do is we got to try and see if we can figure out where this spring goes that would make everything work. And just at first glance here, I'm noticing that there's a hook here for it. Oh, when you push on that, it actually moves there. And it actually dropped the quarter. So obviously this is one side of this gets hooked there. And there's another little hook here. So we're going to go ahead and try and put that on. We'll throw another quarter on into it and see what happens here. Get that hook there. Get that hook there. That sure looks like that's right. So I'll bring you back around front. We'll put another quarter in it and see if it works. And there it is. So nothing happened there. It didn't win anything. So we're going to go ahead and go around back. We'll put another quarter in it so we can see how the back looks. This is just really cool. I really love old mechanical devices like this that's all working off springs and things like that. It's just really cool to me. So here we go. Still didn't win anything. However, it's working perfectly now. It's really cool. Let's go ahead and put a couple more quarters in it and just see if we can get this thing to dispense any coins to us. Just make sure everything's working properly. Oh, there we go. So up here you can see that the dials show the different things. This is the winnings. Let me go ahead and pull that out down here in the bottom. So it looks like we won about $1.50 on that pull. So there you go, guys. We got the machine up and running. Well, there you go, guys. We got the slot machine working. I really love the old mechanics that's in this old slot machine. If you liked what you've seen today, please let us know. It sure helps us grow. Have a great day. And remember, you got this. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.